You guys, the J team here. Right now, Christmas was yesterday, and I'm gonna be honest with you guys. At school, I've been having some problems with my grades. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, all my subscribers, and we love you. So I'm gonna be honest with you. I have not been doing so good in school. I've been struggling really badly. My grades have been going poorly. So this Christmas yesterday, I didn't really get as much as I thought I was gonna get, but I got a lot of clothes. And I mean, honestly, it's not bad, but you know, it's not what I was really expecting. So my mom this morning, she rearranged my room. I'm about to show you right now. As you guys can see, she reorganized my room right here. So, you know, I got my walking bed posted up here. You know how it is. But yeah. But yeah, guys. So that's going on, and we're about to open this right now. This box that my mom gave me. And she gave us a box. You know, honestly, I don't really know what it is. It's really heavy. I do not know.
Me either.
Okay, I'm pretty.
Do you think it's like a new box?
That's a net. That dog. But yeah, so we're about to open this right now. And yeah, let's check this out. So I got my knife. I'm kind of excited, but I hope this ain't no prank or something. If it is, I'm gonna be mad. Like really. Crap, is it working? Oh, there we go. There we go. Alright, here we go. Mom, I want you to be over here for this. Alright, Mom. This is my mom, and she just got us over, so let's check that out. Oh my god! Oh my god!
What is it?
Oh my god! Oh my god! What is it? I'm gonna give you guys a guess on what it is. What do you guys think it is?
Oh my god!
Oh gee!
So many!
I got a
PS4!
PS4!
Yeah!
Oh my god!
You got Call of Duty Black Ops 3,
We put it inside of another box. Another box.
Ah, yeah. Oh my god!
Oh.
Okay, so this is
Got a
the
controller.
I got. Alright, so there's another controller in here too. It should be.
Yep, you have two controllers.
Alright, so these are the games that I want. GTA, since you guys know I play GTA a lot and I have my PS3. Right now I'm gonna be playing it on PS4 now. This is next gen, so check that out. And then I know this game is pretty old, but it's Until Dawn. I've been wanting to play this game for so long, since last year.
Yeah.
So I've been wanting to play that game. I've wanted to play that game for a while, and I got my PS3. Let's go. Let's get it, man. Let's go. I got Black Ops 3. I'm probably trying to get Infinite Warfare soon. I got my money, so I'm gonna try to buy that. And I know this game is also old. I've been trying to play this since 2015. Battlefield Hardline. That's the game I've been trying to play. But yeah, those are the games I got right now. And there should be another game in here too.
And the strikeout box.
But yeah. Anyways, let's open this, bro.
Yeah.
First of all, I'm gonna do a quick little review. Check out the back. The prop is proper.
Yeah.
Check that out. So this is the Uncharted DLC. I don't know what it's called, but yeah, it's the Uncharted thing. So, I don't want to rip it.
You don't know what
I don't wanna rip it. Okay, here we go. I done ripped it. All right, wait, give me the knife. Where's the knife at? Oh my gosh. All right, let's check this out. Okay. So when you open it, you first see this PS4. Oh my god.
Good.
This is heavy. So how many boxes are there? Alright, so we got 3 boxes so far now. As you can see, the white game is proper. Not trying to be racist. So as you guys can see, the PS4 on both sides.
Uh-huh.
Let's open it.
You can see that it's from Sony.
It's from Sony, of course.
Uh-huh.
Because Sony is the organization. This is crazy.
Another box?
Yes, it's so many boxes.
3 boxes. 1, 2, 3. We must really need that thing really secure.
Yes. Okay. So first thing you're gonna see is, oh, Mom, remember when I said you can put headphones? It comes with headphones.
Well, dude.
So you don't gotta get your own. That's so dope. It comes with a charger, HDMI cord, and it's a little SB cord, and a controller right here.
Another control. Oh!
We got two.
Wait.
All right. So for the thing itself, let's go.
Jordan.
I'm trying to be careful. Okay. How do I get this thing out?
It's inside another box.
It's very thin. It's not
Okay.
funky like your
Yeah. Oh my God. All right, you got to be careful right here. So this is what it was like when you first open it.
There's something else in here.
What? Oh,
It comes with.
it comes with Uncharted 4.
Is that what you just said you wanted?
Okay.
Great reveal. Upside down.
Oh my gosh. Oh, this is the slim one. Mom, this isn't the, oh my gosh. This is not the one, the first one that first came out. This is the slim version.
The slim.
I don't want the PS4 Pro anyway because that one was just, it looks so much different from the other PS4. There's 3 PS4s, PS4 regular one, the big huge one, PS4 Slim is the one I got, and PS4 Pro.
Now, you know what you got to do to keep this.
Yes, I know what I have to do.
Okay. Chores. What else?
Schoolwork.
Schoolwork.
Stop touching it.
That's all you got to do. That's your
Wow.
job. That's your job. My job is, me and your dad's job is to go to work, pay off bills, make sure you have a room, clothes, food, activities at times.
Activities at times.
All you got to do is chores and get good grades.
Yes.
But if you don't get good grades and do your chores, what's going to happen? You lose it.
Take it away.
But yeah, guys. So this is it. Oh my God. Wow.
PS4.
I'm going to put, all right. You know, I'm just going to end the video here. I hope you guys enjoyed. Be sure to like and, of course, subscribe. I do that all the time. Hope you guys enjoyed. Be sure to like and, of course, subscribe. And, yeah, share it. This video wasn't just for the PS4 review and unboxing. This is also for, just to let you guys know to be good, you know. I mean, honestly, I'm going to be honest. It depends on what kind of parents you have. If you have parents that are like mine, then, you know, just be good. If you be good, then you will get prizes like these. But I want to say thank you to all our subscribers for supporting us. And thank you, Mom, and my dad. He's not here right now, but thank you. We're cleaning up the house right now. But, yeah. PS4, baby. Let's get it. I'm going to start making more GTA videos and the gaming videos with this baby right here.
No more PS3.
Let me just say that one thing that I realized about it is that it gets really fingerprints get on it really easily. So if you're gonna get a PS4 Slim, be really careful for what you. That's one thing that's bad about it. But other than that, everything looks pretty cool. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Be sure to like and of course subscribe. Until next time.
Peace.
Peace. Oh, peace.